quick tip of today. It's a very short one. You probably know already, but some people don't. So let me show you how to turn around in a narrow space. Basically is put low gear, put your weight outside and go slowly and turn around. Remember, the weight outside, you know, outside of the curve that you're making, it's very important. Okay, that's a very short one. I don't know even if you're gonna like it, but I just did it and I remember that maybe you don't know how to do it. You know, it's just to help. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do, because the longer videos are coming up every Saturday. But these short ones, you know, like little tips that I remember, it's something that happened, then I remember and I do it, you know, to share with you. Maybe you don't know about it. If you do, pass it on, you know, tell to others. Bye-bye.